Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Learn with Art. Now here we will see the next linear data structure, that is stack. Okay, so for that purpose we consider, suppose we have 5 elements with us and now we have to arrange these elements like stack of dishes. Means suppose consider that these elements are nothing but the dishes, or maybe we can call it as coins also. Okay, so suppose when we want to arrange these dishes or coins, then we will arrange these elements one above the other. Means we can arrange these dishes one above the other. So this can be called as a stack of dishes, or if we consider these elements as coins, then we can put the coins one above the other. Okay, so the resultant structure or organization of that element is called as a stack. Okay, so here means what? We have kept first dish, then on that dish we have kept another dish, again we have kept another dish, again we have kept another dish. Okay, and suppose we want to remove the dish, then we can remove the first dish that is inserted last. Okay, means whenever we have to remove the dish B, so it cannot be removed from this place. So for removal of this B, we have to remove first dish B, then we have to remove dish C, and then only we can remove this B dish. Okay, so means what? We have only one end to insert in the stack of dishes, and we have only one end to remove the dish from the stack. Okay, we cannot remove any dish in between this top of the dish and the last of stack of the dish. Okay, so means here we have seen that last inserted dish will be the first removal of the dish. Okay, so means we have here only one end to insert dish into the stack as well as to remove the dish from the stack, and the last inserted element will be the first element to move out from the stack. Okay, so suppose we have these 4 elements in the stack, and suppose we have inserted the new element, suppose E, onto the stack, then the top of the stack will be the new inserted element. Okay, so before this E, the stack top of the stack was D element, and after insertion of E element, then top of the stack will become E element. Okay, so let's start to introduce stack linear data structure. So stack is a linear data structure in which insertion and deletion operations are performed in LIFO order, means last in first out. Like we have already explained, the last inserting element will be the first element that would get deleted. Okay, so that is nothing but the last in first out order. Also we have a single end, that is top, to insert and delete from the stack. Okay, now here we have 2 kinds of operations, that is insertion into stack called as push operation, and deletion from the stack called as pop operation. So push operation, when element is inserted onto stack, called as push operation. Like this, we have 4 elements in the stack. After insertion of E, means after E pushed onto stack, the E element will called as top of the element. And for pop operation, when element is deleted from the stack, called as pop operation. Suppose we have this stack, and if we perform pop operation, then this top element automatically will get popped off. Okay, so means here we don't need to mention which element we want to delete Okay, so because only the top element will get deleted in the pop operation. So the next element below the top element will be the next top. Okay, so before deletion, before pop operation, E was the top. After popping, element D will act as a top of the stack. Okay, and one more operation, that is nothing but the pick operation, that will return the top of the element. In this operation, insertion and deletion will not going to be performed at all. Okay, so now we will see some of the stack applications. So in case of function calls and recursion, stacks are used because in case of recursions, one function calls itself, so that hierarchy could be maintained with the help of stack data structure. In case of depth first traversal operation of the graph, stack is used, and in case of breadth first operation, the queue data structure is used. While evaluating expressions like when we want to convert infix to postfix operations, stack is used. And also if we observe while performing any editing operations, we have to perform most of the time undo and redo operations. So in that case also the stacks are used. Okay, hope so you have understood what is mean by stacks, what is mean by pick operation, pop operation and push operations, what is mean by LIFO order, and what are the applications of stack. If you have any queries, then please do comment, and never forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.